I believe in you.
Hello everyone, my name is Samson. I come from Madagascar. I am a student while a regional leader and founder of English Association. My greatest joys were visiting the community in the countryside and sponsoring and also performing the talent show. I am now more than happy to tell you that I have been accepted to join up with people a musical program this coming July. It is my passion and my dream and also an amazing opportunity for me to travel somewhere around the world to be volunteering and sharing my talent as a singer and also learning along the way. So, Up with People combines everything that I love. However, it is the biggest challenge that I face to find money around 17,000 US dollars in very short moment. Please, if you can, consider making a donation to help me to make my dreams come reality. Thank you very much.